It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts.
What is today? Today Serbian is.
Yeah, well, right.
What we gonna do?
Try us egg.
Yes. And color now.
Yeah, we'll call it.
Say hello. In Korea.
안녕.
Hi, we're in Bali. Stefan, Emma and I, can you believe it? Actually, in Bali together. Crazy. And it's Serbian Easter, so we're celebrating in Bali, and look at what this boy is doing. Making eggs!
Now we officially can make the Christmas.
Serbia do Balija.
Srbija do Balija.
Serbia do Balija.
Bravo. Loren i Emu znamo davno. Radili smo prošlog leta zajedno u hotelu u Jackson Hallu u Americi, u Wyomingu. Jako dobra ekipa je bila baš prošlog leta. Tako da, ja sam došao ovdje, nisam ni znao da su na Baliju, samo mi je poslala poruku, Loren, da li je moguće da me kuliraš, da nećeš doći? I ono, ja rekao, pa nisam znao da si na Baliju, i ono zvala me na Gajbu, gde živi. A sad ćemo da farbamo jaja. Inače, na granici, pošto nosi samo carry on, su mi uzeli sve, osim ove jedne kesice koju sam poneo, tako da ćemo i to odraditi.
No, I know some words, like fish is trumpet. Trumpet. Onion is look.
Yes.
Onion is look. Tomato is... Tomato, maybe?
Paradise.
Paradise.
But you know the bad
But
words.
I know the important words. Pivo, šljivovic, kalinkovac, travarica.
You try kalinkovac? I think we need more water.
Yeah.
I sada Loren piše jedinu reč, the only word that you know in Serbian. What is it? Show to everybody.
Puši
Say again.
Puši.
Okay, Loren.
There you go.
It's okay, Loren.
And in Cyrillic as well.
Oh, you know in Cyrillic.
I
too.
do.
Yeah. Bravo, Loren.
Thanks.
And which word do you know?
Dobro večer.
Dobro veče.
Dobar dan.
He knows a lot.
Mali
He
pivo,
knows
veli
some.
pivo.
Mali
Matrina.
Matrinu. What are we doing now?
Celebrating
Celebrating
Easter.
It's
actually Orthodox, but I like calling it Serbian because I'm so nationalist.
So it's Eastern Serbian.
Yeah, I'm a brother of Arkan.
You're the brother of Arkan. You're the tiger. You're the tiger. You're the tiger.
They call me the leopard.
What do we say? Where are we now? We are now in Bali, and we say Serbia do Balija, which means Serbia to Bali.
Da.
And
Da.
we will start by me saying Hristos Voskrese. Bravo. Bravo.
Da.
Now we will make like a competition.
Sve je u redu.
Sve je u redu.
Sve je u redu.
Yes. Look now. I go like this.
Okay.
You can do me with
Like
your.
this?
What is? Show it.
Do him with your egg.
This one.
Which one is it?
Pushi
Yes, it is the pushing. Go with the pointy top
Okay.
and hit my egg.
There you go.
And I won on that side. Now I hit you. Turn around.
Okay.
Yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
No, yours.
I broke.
Yeah, you
Okay.
broke.
So happy.
You're out.
Okay.
You hit me with pointy. Pointy.
With the-
Which one is
hit
it?
him.
With a point, with the hit like this.
Hit his
Yeah.
egg.
You
with
hit
that.
him.
You hit me. No, other side.
Other side.
The other
Turn
side,
right. Yeah.
With the pointy side, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Ah,
Now I hit you. Other side.
lost.
Does yours ever
Which one is it? The downside or other side?
Yeah, this is the point.
hold
Okay, let's do point.
Okay. Okay, and then I go this side.
Yeah.
Aha,
So,
you know,
yeah. Yeah. Now
now I go.
you do with her one side.
It's my turn. There you go.
Yeah.
Are you ready? One,
No,
two,
wait. This is the point. You do the same side.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
She kicked
I
you.
lost.
Does that mean I win the whole thing?
Wait. We are not sure. We are not sure yet.
Still the last one.
The pointy sides.
Okay.
The pointy sides. Let's go.
Wait, but his pointy side's broken.
No, but you are with him now.
Oh, with your pointy side.
Okay.
You're with him now.
This is for bombing in 1999.
US bombed Serbia.
And actually, it was a revenge with the US.
No, but actually, it's not. I haven't win already because you have one side live. But I have the pointy side. You have the butt side. This is how I win.
So,
So
he kicked your butt, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
To je bilo to, tako da vraćam se.
Easter.
So, Dobronija, nema problema.
What we need now to drink? Maybe a šljivovica.
We start with vina, crvena vina, da, crvena vina, da. After šljivovic, pelinkovac, travarica, nema problema. Everybody. Everybody enjoy yourselves.
Yeah, see ya. Bye. Idemo sladoled! Ice cream, you scream, ice cream!